Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Hospital, located on the outskirts of the old city, is a symbol of this modern Jaipur. Popularly known as MG Medical College and Hospital, it is managed and run by India Education Trust or IET, a private non-profit trust. The MG Hospital, which is the core of the medical college, has over the years emerged as one of the premier healthcare institutions of Rajasthan. Its mission is to provide world-class health services to all, but at an affordable or minimum cost to the common people. The outpatient department of the hospital caters to more than 1,000 patients every day. The general wards of the hospital have a total of 650 beds. The MG Hospital therefore operates a fully equipped modern gynecology and obstetrics department that provides round-the-clock free maternity and delivery services. The hospital has therefore set up an advanced, fully equipped neonatal intensive care unit with facilities like radiant warmers and specialists on call round the clock. This NICU is reputed to be one of the super specialities of the MG Hospital. Mahatma Gandhi Hospital has 17 fully air-conditioned operation theatres. These are equipped with ultra-modern facilities such as anesthesia machines, with features like respiratory gas monitoring, volumetric analysis, capnography, sophisticated ventilators and monitoring equipments. In addition, there are operating microscopes and operating laparovideoscopes for endoscopic surgery. Thus, the operation theatres are capable of dealing with almost every kind of surgery. All the OTs have pre-operative and post-operative chambers attached to them where patients receive specialized care before and after the operations. The hospital has a well-equipped central diagnostic laboratory that deals with investigations of pathology, microbiology and biochemistry. The biochemistry lab is equipped with auto-analyzer that can deliver up to 200 routine blood tests per hour automatically. MG Hospital has one of the most well-equipped departments of radiology in Rajasthan. This department has advanced facilities for ultrasound, CT scan, mammography, DSA and X-ray. A state-of-the-art MRI facility has therefore been added to this department recently. Between the medical college and the hospital wings, this premier medical institution has a total of 21 non-clinical and clinical departments. The hospital has 10 super specialities. These are pediatric surgery, neurosurgery, plastic surgery, endoscopic surgery, knee replacement surgery within the broad field of orthopedics, gastroenterology, endourology, nephrology, advanced reproductive technology or ART, and neonatal intensive care. MG Hospital operates a 24-hour casualty and emergency to attend to such cases. This is a service that is highly valued by the local people, as there is no other hospital with such medical facilities in this recently developed part of Jaipur. The casualty has 3 operation theatres of its own to undertake emergency operations. Specialists in various disciplines remain on call and if required can reach the casualty at a short notice. MG Hospital, that has now grown into a fine example of public service, started on his journey with the private funds of Dr. M.L. Swarankar. He had initially set up a private IVF clinic, the Jaipur Fertility and Microsurgery Research Centre, in 1988. This was the first institution in northern India in the field of ART, popularly called test tube baby technology. But Dr. Swarankar was not satisfied as he wanted to serve a larger community. In 1999, along with some of his key associates, he set up the India Education Trust. The objective was to create world-class facilities in the field of medical care and medical education. He transferred his private clinic to this trust, which in turn established Mahatma Gandhi Hospital.
Having set up a hospital, why did you think of establishing a medical college?
You see, by setting up of a hospital, you serve a limited number of the people. So I decided that we should have a medical college or a college for the health professional, not only medical college, dental college, nursing college, paramedical colleges, so that we can train more and more people for the care of the public at large. And that is why we decided to run not only medical college but other paramedical courses, nursing college courses like that.
Dr. Swarankar, therefore, still has a very ambitious vision for the future.
I want Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Hospital, our hospital, to be the premier medical research, teaching and training institute in private sector in the country. I think by God's grace, parents' blessings and people's support, friends' support, we will realize this dream very soon.